Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to use recurring tasks in ClickUp. First of all, open the task you want to repeat. You can use an existing task or create a new one. I'm just going to create a new one. Okay, now just click on the task to open the task window. And here you can see this date section. Just click on it. Now, as you can see, set recurring. There's the option, just click on it. Now, as you can see, there are different type of options like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, days after, and custom. Now, what is daily? The task repeat every single day when you choose daily. When you choose weekly, repeats every week on the same weekday. For example, every Monday. This is perfect for weekly meetings, uploads, or team reviews. Now, what is monthly? Repeats on the same day every month, like the first or the 15th. As you can see, first day of the month, last day of the month, third Friday, same day each month. Okay, now what is yearly? Repeat once a year. It is good for anniversaries, renewals, or yearly goals. Now, you can also set custom recurring tasks. Like this is advanced option. You can choose things like repeat every 2 days, repeat every 3 weeks, repeat only on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, repeat on the first Monday of every month. It gives you full control. Okay. Now, what is create new task option? What is this? So, ClickUp makes a new task every time the repeat happens. Your old task stays in history, mark complete. This is best for weekly tasks, monthly tasks, tasks where you want records of every cycle. Now, if you want to go specific, just click on options and you can select like relationships, checklist only, followers only, tags, description, dependencies. So only these will recur, and all the options which we have disabled will not recur. Just click on save. Now this option recur forever. You can choose this if you want the task to stay recurring for a long period of time, but if you want to keep it for like 3 week to 2 week, just select it to 4, as you can see. And after that, just click on save. Now if you want to repeat the task for monthly, here you can select first day of the month, last day of the month, status, done, recover for 1 month, and click on save. So as you can see, you will get used to it once you will try experiment with this different options. Really that simple. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to reply. Thanks for watching.